Albert Genius is a paid membership, and canceling it only stops future renewals. It does not automatically close your Albert account or erase your banking history, so you can cancel the subscription without losing your past account records. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cancel Albert Genius, what happens after cancellation, and what to check before you confirm it. The fastest way to cancel is directly inside the Albert app. Open the app and sign in with the account that has the active Genius membership. Tap your profile or account menu, then look for the Genius or membership section. If the option is available, choose Manage Membership or Cancel Membership, and follow the confirmation prompts until the app tells you the cancellation has been processed. If you don't see a cancellation button, don't panic. Some users may need to contact Albert support instead. Open the Help or Support section inside the app and submit a request asking to cancel your Genius membership. Include the email address linked to your account so the support team can locate it more quickly. Before you cancel, make sure there are no pending cash advances, repayments, or account issues that still need attention. Canceling the membership does not erase outstanding obligations. If you still have an active advance or another unresolved transaction, complete those first or confirm with support how they will be handled. After the cancellation is confirmed, check your email for a confirmation message. Keep that email until your current billing period ends. It gives you proof that your request was completed if you have questions later. If you're billed again after receiving a cancellation confirmation, contact Albert support immediately. Include the confirmation email, the charge date, and the amount that appeared on your payment method. Having those details ready usually makes the conversation much easier. If your goal is to stop using Albert completely, remember that canceling Genius and closing your Albert account are separate actions. Review the account settings or contact support if you also want the account itself closed. To recap, cancel Albert Genius from the membership section, if the option is available. Contact support if you can't find it. And always save your cancellation confirmation email until your billing cycle is over. Your next step is simple. Open the Albert app now and verify whether your Genius membership is still active before your next renewal date. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple app tutorials and troubleshooting guides.